Meiosis shows up in the biological and biochemical foundation section, and it's tested not just as cell biology trivia, but as the foundation of sexual reproduction, genetic diversity, and inheritance patterns. Questions can ask about specific phases, chromosome numbers, or how errors in the process lead to disease. If you know the flow, you'll pick up points that trip up other students. Let's break it down. Purpose of meiosis. Meiosis is how sexually reproducing organisms make gametes, sperm and egg cells. The goal is simple. Cut the chromosome number in half so when fertilization happens, the zygote has the correct diploid number. Without meiosis, sexual reproduction doesn't work. Two divisions, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis happens in 2 rounds. The first division separates homologous chromosomes. The second division separates sister chromatids. By the end, one parent cell turns into 4 haploid daughter cells. Meiosis 1, the reduction division. Prophase 1, chromosomes condense, homologous pairs line up, and crossing over happens. This exchange of DNA makes every gamete genetically unique. Metaphase 1, homologous pairs align at the metaphase plate. The way they line up is random. That's independent assortment, another source of variation. Anaphase 1, homologous chromosomes pull apart to opposite poles. Telophase 1, the cell divides, leaving 2 haploid cells, but with duplicated sister chromatids still attached. Meiosis 2, the separation division. Prophase 2, chromosomes recondense. Metaphase 2, chromatids align at the center. Anaphase 2, sister chromatids finally split apart. Telophase 2, 4 genetically distinct haploid cells form. Each has half the chromosomes of the original parent cell. Why genetic diversity matters. Crossing over in prophase 1 and independent assortment in metaphase 1 mean no gamete is the same. That's why siblings look different. The MCAT cares less about the why in evolution and more about recognizing when in meiosis these events occur. Meiosis versus mitosis. Here's the contrast the MCAT loves. Mitosis makes identical diploid cells for growth and repair. Meiosis makes haploid gametes for reproduction. Mitosis equals 1 division, identical copies. Meiosis equals 2 divisions, genetic diversity. Gametogenesis. In males, meiosis produces sperm through spermatogenesis, 4 equal haploid sperm cells. In females, it's oogenesis. Meiosis produces 1 functional egg and polar bodies that don't contribute to reproduction. This difference is often tested. Fertilization and sexual reproduction. Finally, fertilization fuses sperm and egg, restoring the diploid number in the zygote. Sexual reproduction ensures variation in populations, a concept tied to evolution questions on the exam. Meiosis is high yield because it ties cell biology to genetics, inheritance, and evolution. If you can track chromosome numbers through each phase and know where genetic diversity comes from, you'll spot MCAT traps and score higher. With that said, here are just a few of our student success stories. Students who mastered these concepts, boosted their scores, and got into medical school. If you're studying for the MCAT, click the link below to get started with your own prep. We help students reach a 515 plus on the MCAT, and we'd love to do the same for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more MCAT breakdowns like this, and follow us on Instagram for extra tips and resources.